Hey guys, welcome back. Today I wanted to go over this cool little pen holder that I made for around the shop. I needed some place to keep all my pens, markers, Sharpies, soapstones stored instead of just a pile making a mess. So I made this little holder out of some 3/4 pipe. I just cut the 3/4 pipe into 3/4 length sections, tacked them all together, gave it some little vertical stands and a base plate. So super simple project. Wanted to make a quick video making another one. I'm going to probably bring it to my office at home, put it on the desk, and since this is going to be super quick and easy to build, I think I have a couple other cool ideas of different designs I'll probably throw in to show you guys. So here we go. So I set the cut stop on the bandsaw to 3/4 of an inch so I wouldn't have to mark out every piece while I was cutting. So I just slide the steel stock into the stopper and continued making the cuts. We got all the pipe cut to 3/4 of an inch roughly. We're just going to take it onto the belt sander and clean up all the sharp edges, and then we'll be on to the next step. So after the belt sander, I'm going to take each one of these and flip them over both sides because of the burrs and buildup that come on the inside. So I'm going to take this chamfer bit, put it on my drill, and just hit both sides of each one of these just to clean up the inside and get rid of all the sharp edges. So we got all our pieces sent through the drill with the chamfer bit on it just to clean up the inside. They all came out pretty good. So we're just going to get them set up on the table, try to clamp down all the pieces the best we can, and get all the pipes tacked together in a row, and then we'll kind of work on the legs and the base plate and go from there. So I set up the cut pieces just like this, pinched between these two tubes with some stoppers just to kind of hold everything in place. I'm going to put a tack between each one of the pieces of pipe, and then I'm going to set in the legs, one on either side. And then from there I'm going to stand it up and get the base plate under it. And I'm going to do 2 of them. So I'm just going to speed up the process, get these tacked and set up on the base plates with the legs, and show you guys pretty much the finished project. We finished the 2 stands, got the base plate on, the legs, and that's pretty much it. Pretty simple, nice little project, good to keep all the pens and everything organized around the shop, soapstone, things like that. There you go, pretty easy. And for a quick extra, I'm going to make one out of these 3/4 hex nuts that I have laying around the shop from other projects. Same idea with the base plate. I'm going to tack all these together, put the legs on it, and put it on a base plate, and it'll be just like the other ones, but just kind of a different design. There's the next one complete. Same idea as the other ones, just kind of a different style. Hope you guys like following along with the project, and there'll be more to come.